What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video by Underhoods. Today I'm going to be attempting to purchase this 2011 Volkswagen Golf, which is currently a pure sale vehicle. Throw it in a bid. Someone's outbid me. I'll go 350. Yeah, just let it go, bro. It's not going to be yours today. Boom. Sold. Let's go back and have a look. I've just won myself a 2011 Volkswagen Golf S TSI, which is petrol. They say the estimated retail value on this vehicle is £2,864. Mileage is quite high, I'm not gonna lie, for a 1.2. So 110 on the clock. It's got front end damage, nothing major. It's a cat end, 61 plate, black 5-speed manual petrol. There's keys, and there is a V5 on file. Once all their fees are added, it comes to 561. I still have to get it delivered, so we're talking 830 roughly, which is still more than it's more than I want to spend, I'll be honest. But all in all, let's see, this is a 2011 Golf 1.2. Let's see, this is what I usually do. So this can be good for someone who's trying to buy and sell, trying to just buy a car for yourself. You want something cheap, whatever. So we'll put 2010, 2011 petrol, max engine size, 1.2. And as you can see, that one, that red one here, is the first one I'd look at because it's same year exactly. It's got higher mileage, 147,000 as you can see. The one above it's got 70,000 same year, and that's 4.5, and that's apparently a great price. Going down 6 grand, 5, 6, 5. Cheapest one we've seen so far, 2290. That's got 111,000, still slightly higher than the one I've just found, but I would make the assumption this one's not a cat, and that's at a lower price. So that person's just trying to get rid of it, obviously. 4, 3, 7, 7, 7. Anyway, so what I usually do after that, go into eBay. All this all happens in the same day. In fact, this usually happens before I've made a purchase, but because I just made that purchase on kind of on impulse, and I thought, oh, that's not a bad price for a Golf, and that's why it just happened the way it happened. But usually I do all this first. So I think that's a Mark 6 Golf. Let's have a look. Headlights. This is where things get a little bit fun. Because if you really wanted to, it came up straight away. If you really wanted to, which I'm not, you could upgrade your headlights at this point. Obviously, this is better when you need 2 headlights, because if you need to replace both anyway, even though a set of halogen headlights, which is the ones with them crap bulbs, just the basic bulbs, they're not very bright. The ones with those are going to be obviously a lot cheaper than a set of Xenons or aftermarket Xenon lookalikes, whatever, like these 325. So that's not bad. But yeah, if your lights are broken, both lights are broken, or even though just one being broken, and you want to just keep the car, for example, or you might as well go ahead and just upgrade the headlights. So that's not too bad. 325 for a set of headlights, in my opinion. Brand new, aftermarket, like the Mark 7 replicas kind of thing. Yeah, not bad. But I'm somewhere in this region, I think. I think it's a passenger side light I need, but that's a driver side one, 70 quid as you can see. Ah, there we are, look, £40. I'm pretty sure that's my headlight. So let's see, we've done that. Mark 6 Golf. Bonnet. This is just to give ideas of prices, and if you get them in color, oh, I put bumper, not even bumper, but I think it needs a bumper anyway. It might do, so let's just check that as well. And it's black, so in fairness, I feel like you must come across at least one black bumper. That is that standard. Oh, it is. For a minute I thought that was primed, but no, looks weird though, like somebody sprayed it maybe, I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Some scratches throughout. Grille damage with parking sensors, all brackets intact, connectors intact. The item shown is in the listing images is the item you will receive, so please look through them carefully. This is a used item, so it's susceptible to scratches, dents, and any other general wear and tear. I don't know, I think that's a standard color. But the thing to note with most cars is there's more than one type of black. I've made that mistake before. Just see a black and think, oh yeah, wicked black bumper. Yeah, don't assume that it's your black, because they come with more than one black basically. There's a bonnet. I was gonna say the bonnet, but there's a bonnet, 130. So all in all, I think this is not looking too bad. 60 quid for a light, 130 roughly for a bonnet. Might be more, who knows? Don't know how I'm gonna get the exact black from this seller. Unless it's here somewhere. No, it is not. Yeah, it's not. Don't know how I'm gonna figure that out, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. Another one there for 140. So yeah, just to give you guys a quick insight into how to buy a vehicle at auction. Bearing in mind, you do need to have a membership to purchase vehicles from this auction. This auction is called Copart. It's a bit of a Marmite website. Some people like it, some people don't. I've had some bad experiences, but overall I'd say most of my experiences have been more positive than negative. So it's just one of those things. It's a gamble. It's if you buy a car, just like anything you buy without seeing it, it could be problematic. This, I have no idea. This says runs and drives, and from what I can see, it looks fairly minimal in regards to damage. I'd say, in fact, look at that. That picture's crap. They should have took that twice. They've got, like, can't even see that side because of the sun. Proper out of order, that is. So that side, I have no idea what that looks like. It could be a mess. Can't see, so I don't have a clue. But anyway, yeah, most of my experiences have been more positive than negative. It's just a gamble. It's one of those things. Might be good, might not be good. But this one, at least, I hope is good. And if not, we'll deal with it when we get to that point. Who knows? Might end up doing a project with it, because I've been dying to do a project for many of years now. So, you know, worst case scenario, if the engine has any real issues, touch wood, then we'll see about doing something interesting with it. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys basically how I go about buying my vehicles and how you could go about buying your vehicles in the near future. This is a very good way to save money. You've just seen how much I paid for this car, how much it's going to cost me delivery, and an average price on what the parts are going to cost me. This could be you if you didn't mind taking a risk and was happy to get your hands a bit dirty basically and learn some new things in regards to repairs, because I will be doing everything myself minus spraying. I can't do I can do body spraying, but not like to a professional standard. So I do have a friend of mine who does all that for me. But anything mechanical wise, I always jump in head first. Even if it's something I can't do, I'm going to try and learn to do. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I'm definitely going to be going forward and posting more videos soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. This sorry, haven't done this in so long. Please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications for the future videos that will be uploaded soon. Until next time, I'll catch you later.